guys and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm gonna show you how I apply my false eyelashes. Yes, I am going to teach you all how to apply false eyelashes because there was a time when I was afraid of applying these eyelashes. I always failed applying them, but now I have learned how to apply them and this is what I'm going to teach you in this tutorial. So there is nothing new I have learned about these glue eyelashes. Like I have been watching these tutorials since I have started this channel, but never I literally cried and got frustrated when I was not able to apply these glue eyelashes, but then thanks to magnetic eyelashes, they were with me and they are with me still. So if you want to know what are these tips and what are these products and what is the trick of applying the glue eyelashes, then please continue watching. Alright guys, so first I'm gonna tell you the things that you will be needing when you apply false eyelashes. So first thing that you will be needing is patience. Yes, you need it the most. Trust me, I know better. Second thing that you will be needing is these eyelashes, the false eyelashes, and the one that I'm using is Pack Mink eyelashes, and I'm in the variant M74. And this is how they look like. They are so gorgeous, and make sure you are using good eyelashes. So there are many affordable brands, like I'm not saying you must use Huda Beauty or something like that. They are super expensive. Even I don't use them at all. So I have these Pack eyelashes. There is Pro Arte, there are Nykaa eyelashes, so you can try these brands. So don't go for those cheap lashes that comes for rupees 50, 60, 70. They are available on Amazon. So they are not good. The band is not good. Third thing that you will be needing is this lash fixer. So the one I'm using is from Pack itself, and this is how it looks like. Also, now make sure you are using a good quality glue, because if you are using Amisa glue, it is not going to make your eyelashes stuck to the place and they are going to slip and slide. So maybe they are out from inner corner or outer corner, they won't stick properly. So there are many available in the market like Duo, Huda Beauty. This one that I'm using is a clear glue gel, and this works really awesome. I have tried it and this is what made my whole eyelash game easy. The next thing that you will be needing is a mascara. So this is because it will make your own eyelashes stiff so that it can hold these false eyelashes, so it is must. Then you will be needing scissors, and this is because if the length of the eyelash is bigger, so you can alter it according to your lash line. And then the last thing that you will be needing, which is the tweezers. So this is kind of optional. If you are comfortable using your finger, you have to pinch your finger and thumb like this. This is the way you apply false eyelashes. So what I will do is one eye I'll be doing with my fingers only, and other eye I will be doing with the help of these tweezers. So that's all you need. That's all. And now I'm just gonna settle some hair back so they won't disturb me. Yes, also I'm gonna zoom you a little in. Yeah, so you can see what's happening. So now first I'm gonna coat my eyelashes. So I have seen a lot of makeup artists, they apply eyelash and then they also go in with another layer of mascara. Personally, I don't like doing that. This is because of the reason it will ruin your false eyelashes. There is no need of applying a mascara over your false eyelashes because that doesn't make any sense to me. Also, make sure you are doing the outer part of your lashes and the inner part of your lashes, coating them really well, because these are the problematic zones from where the eyelash comes out, either the inner corner or the outer corner. So if you want your eyelashes, they stay for a long run, then you must apply this mascara before. So mascara is done, and now I'm gonna show you how to take out your eyelashes from the packaging. So I have also learned this from Shreya Jain only. She says never pull out your eyelash from the one end and then just rip it off like this. This will change the actual shape of your false eyelashes. So what you can do is just hold your lashes from here, like in between, and just do it like this way. So by this way, you are getting your eyelash out in a much easy way and effortlessly, and also the shape retains as it is, like you can see. So I'm gonna show you with the finger this side. What I like to do is I just use this glue and apply it as an eyeliner. Just gonna apply it from here, like the inner corners, and apply it till here to your outer corners. Now give it at least 5 to 10 seconds so that the glue becomes tacky. If you apply your eyelash directly to the glue when it is wet, it is not going to stick properly. It is gonna move, or it comes out. It is gonna slip and slide. So just wait for about 10 seconds. I am just fanning it like this. I'm just gonna place my eyelash like this. You have to lift your chin up but look down. You do not have to place your eyelash like this. No straight way. You have to put it like this, at this angle, and I'm gonna put it like this. And now just set your outer corners and then set your inner corners. And now I'm gonna close my eyes and I'm just gonna press it with my actual lashes so they look one, and I'm gonna put more pressure on the inner and the outer corners like this, and that's it. You are done. And now to complete this, I'm gonna use this black kajal, and all I'm gonna do is fill this kajal to my upper lash line. And also this eyelash fits me really good, so I don't need to alter it. But if you think that you need to alter or trim your eyelash, then do it from the outer corners, not from the inner corners. Just place it, like I will show you this side what I do. You have to measure whether it fits your lash line, upper lash line perfectly or not. So you have to first place it like this randomly, and then just check it whether it's like your lash length or not. And yes, it fits me perfectly. But if not, then all you have to do is always trim from the outer corners. So you can see how much you have to trim it, and then just trim it. That's it. That's all you have to do. And now you can clearly see what difference fake eyelashes makes. Like, look at this side, it looks more glam. Like, for a very basic kind of eye makeup, it make it look more glam. So that's why eyelashes needed, and they make a huge difference. And now all you have to do is, when you are working with tweezers, you have to hold your eyelash like this way, in between, and then just lift your chin up but look down, and find a suitable place to place these eyelashes. Just close your eyes, hold it from this end and press it on the outer corners so that it is nicely stick over here, and then hold the inner corner of your lashes like this and press it. Just hold these tweezers like this and pinch it like this with your actual lashes. And your eyelashes are here. And I've never thought that applying glue eyelashes would be that easy. and to be very honest, this is the product that made it easy for me. Alright guys, so that's it with this video, and I really hope you guys have learned something new today. Like, these tips are going to help you as well, because it helped me a lot. Trust me, you know, I never applied glue eyelashes just because of this fear that I won't be able to, but this lash fixer and these good eyelashes, they make this game easy for me. So if you like this video, then please give it a big thumbs up. If this video is helpful for you, then please share it so it will help others as well, and I'll see you in my next video.